InStory Video Maker is an Android application designed for users who want to create engaging video stories for social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. This app focuses on providing tools that allow users to easily compile photos and videos into eye-catching stories that can capture their audience's attention. Key features typically include a wide range of templates and themes that cater to different moods and aesthetics, enabling users to personalize their content with minimal effort. The app often offers options for adding text, stickers, music, and transitions, which can enhance the visual appeal of the stories. InStory also usually includes editing tools that allow users to add just video length, apply filters, and arrange content in a way that best fits their narrative. Additionally, the user-friendly interface makes it accessible for anyone, regardless of their editing experience. Overall, InStory Video Maker serves as an excellent resource for anyone looking to boost their social media presence, providing a simple yet effective way to create visually stunning stories that engage viewers.